Right, so I thought I'd do a quick video showing how to set up the GUID on one of these Atlas Miniloggers, or any of the Atlas range that looks like this from the front. So first of all, we need to actually take the USB to RS232 cable and plug it into the laptop and the front of the Minilogger. So I'll do that now. Right, so you'll see now that I've got the cable connected between the laptop and the Minilogger, and you'll see that now the Minilogger is powered down. So the next thing I need to do is open up Hyperterm. So now I'm going to power up the Minilogger, and then what I'll do is, as I hear the early beep as such, so do that first beep, then I'll go Control P. Now the screen's popped up, and as you can see it says enter manufacturing password, which you'll be surprised to find is password. There we go, so the administrator's logged in. Now what we need to do is see what the GUID is set on this particular logger. So if I type GUID, hit return, tells me it's 03 Romeo 3, and that's in base 36, which obviously if you do it in base 10 then it comes up as, I don't know if it's going to tell me. There we go. And if I scroll up as such, in base 10 that will be 4863. So I'll stop the video for right now. To change the GUID, you need to put in GUID, and then you put in the base 36 code for that. So for instance, if we were going to put in something like, let's go ABC, so you can go 0 ABC, and then if hit return, you'll see command OK, and then that means, and if you ask it what the GUID is, it will tell you it's 0 ABC. Now you can, by doing stat, you can actually see what that is in base 10, and we'll have to scroll back up. So, and you can see in base 10 for that it's 4863, which that doesn't seem right. So I think what you need to do is we go SRST, that does a soft restart, should do that. As you can see on the front, it's done that. It's now going through its reboot routine. Unfortunately, the logger, and then do Control P, and then hopefully within a few moments, and once again there we have, so we have to put in the password, and we're logged in, and lo and behold, we now have that. So if we do a stat now, hopefully we should see what the new device ID base 10 number is, and as you can see it's 13368, which is the base 10 for 0 ABC for base 36. Now I'm going to restore it back to its original GUID. So as you can appreciate, GUID, and I think 03 R3. Do that. Ask it its name now. If I just put GUID, and you can see it's that. Unfortunately, it needs a reboot to actually establish it across the device itself. So take my word for it, it will happen. But anyway, that's that. As you can see, once more, it's coming up and it's asked for the password, which I'll put in, and then ask it its stat, that's a status, and you'll see there it's come up with that, and you can see there it's gone back to 03 Romeo 3 and the base 10 is 4863. So that's how you go about doing a GUID config change. Now you can change some of the other things inside it, but it's probably best not to do it via Hyperterminal. It's always better to do it through what normally is either an Ethernet connection, which will go into that one, and use the Ethernet on your laptop, and I'll give you more information about how doing that if you need it. Okay.